Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something truly special for you. I distinctly remember the moment when I first learned about ethical hackers. Those brilliant individuals who get paid to hack into companies, identify security vulnerabilities, and assist in fortifying their defenses. It sounded like a dream job, didn't it? However, there's a twist. The path to becoming an ethical hacker can be quite challenging, especially if you're starting from scratch. In this video, we're going to delve deep into the world of ethical hacking and explore a step-by-step roadmap. I'll share with you how I helped my colleague Emily, who had just completed her Google Cybersecurity certificate, navigate her way through the complex landscape of ethical hacking. We'll uncover the secrets to not only passing the formidable Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP) exam, but also landing that coveted ethical hacking job. So, let's dive right in. The first step in Emily's journey, and one I recommend for anyone aspiring to be an ethical hacker, is establishing a solid foundation. Emily kickstarted her learning with the Google Cybersecurity certificate, an excellent choice for several reasons. This certificate covers essential foundational knowledge, including Linux, MySQL, and Python. Linux is the bedrock of ethical hacking, as you'll be running most of your tools on this operating system. MySQL knowledge is crucial for tackling SQL injection attacks. Python, on the other hand, equips you with scripting skills, which are invaluable when working towards your OSCP certification. A valuable pro tip: steer clear of multiple choice-based certifications. They won't provide you with the hands-on skills you need. Ethical hacking is all about practical knowledge. Think of it as mastering a trade. It requires real-world application. With the Google Cybersecurity certificate under your belt, it's time to take the next step: practical experience. This is where Hack the Box comes into play. Consider getting an annual subscription. It's budget-friendly and immensely valuable. Start by revisiting some of the concepts you've encountered in your Google certificate. Hack the Box offers courses like Introduction to Networking and Linux Fundamentals. Even if you've already covered these, Platform provides a safe environment to deepen your knowledge. You can't be too comfortable with Linux. It's a critical tool in the ethical hacker's arsenal. Additionally, explore Introduction to Bash Scripting on Hack the Box. Bash is Linux's native shell, and understanding it is essential. While you've dipped your toes into scripting with Python during your Google certificate, Bash scripting offers a different perspective and sets the stage for the challenges you'll face during your OSCP journey. Remember, the goal here is to build confidence in your skills. Being comfortable with practical knowledge is the key to success in ethical hacking. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: learning to hack. In the past, getting started in hacking could be a daunting experience, with internet forums filled with harsh criticism for newcomers. But times have changed, and learning ethical hacking has become more accessible. One of the first certifications I recommended to Emily is the Learn Security EJPT. This entry-level hacking certification provides clear and practical training materials. It's an excellent confidence booster, and the hands-on experience will prepare you for more advanced challenges. And here's a myth to debunk. Some say the EJPT isn't recognized by HR filters. Trust me, this rarely happens in the industry. HR and hiring managers understand the significance of these certifications and the skills they represent. The OSCP, a certification that strikes fear into the hearts of many aspiring ethical hackers. However, it's a challenge worth embracing. But before diving into the OSCP, it's a good idea to prepare thoroughly. Consider alternative certifications like the ECPT and PTP from eLearn Security or TCM Security's PTP. These certifications cover similar topics to the OSCP but often provide better training materials. They'll serve as excellent stepping stones toward your OSCP journey. Once you've completed one of these certifications, it's time to tackle the OSCP. While it comes with a higher price tag, around $1,500, it offers 90 days of lab access. By this point, you should be well equipped to face the OSCP's challenges. Here's another pro tip: start applying for ethical hacking jobs after passing your EJPT or equivalent certifications. Mention in your CV that you're working towards the OSCP. Companies are actively seeking candidates with these skills, and they're often more approachable than you might think. Building a portfolio is vital in the world of ethical hacking. Your practical experience speaks volumes to potential employers. Hack. The box provides a range of projects, from easy to hard, that you can work on. Completing these projects helps reinforce your knowledge and exposes you to new challenges, making you a more confident candidate during interviews. Don't underestimate the power of a well-documented portfolio. It showcases your skills, dedication, and ability to apply what you've learned. It's your passport to landing your dream ethical hacking job. Now, the moment you've been working towards landing your first ethical hacking job. Here's the exciting part. In the world of ethical hacking, degrees don't carry as much weight as your skills and certifications. It's all about what you can do. So instead of solely applying for jobs, take the initiative. Find ethical hacking job postings on LinkedIn and reach out to the hiring managers directly. Craft a message explaining your background, your ongoing journey, and your interest in ethical hacking. You'll be surprised how open and approachable people in this field can be. A degree isn't a significant factor here. It's your practical skills, certifications, and the passion for ethical hacking that will set you apart. Now, let's look beyond the basics. Ethical hacking is a vast field with numerous specialized areas. You might want to consider exploring these specializations after you've secured your foothold as an ethical hacker. One exciting area is mobile penetration testing. Hacking into mobile phones, including iPhones and Android devices. This specialization requires additional knowledge beyond what you've learned in your foundational certifications. Both INI and TCM Security offer courses to help you dive into this niche. Another area is web application penetration testing. While your foundational certifications touch on this topic, it's an ocean of its own. IN's web application penetration testing professional course is an excellent choice for expanding your skills. Lastly, if you're up for the challenge, consider exploit development. This field involves creating exploits for vulnerabilities, a highly specialized and advanced skill. Offensive Security offers a course that can take you on this journey. Remember, these specializations allow you to tailor your career path to your interests and strengths. In closing, becoming an ethical hacker is an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the effort and dedication. Following this roadmap, you can navigate the complex landscape of ethical hacking, from building a strong foundation to landing your dream job. Stay committed to your journey, and remember that practical skills, certifications, and a passion for learning are your greatest allies. Don't be discouraged by the challenges. They're all part of the process. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey to becoming an ethical hacker. If you found this roadmap helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on cybersecurity. Remember, with the right guidance and determination, anyone can become a hacker. Until next time, happy hacking.